Hello everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for Geminis, okay? If you wish to enroll one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have a Vastu session with me, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so this is a situationship reading. It is either related to career or relationship. Wait, guys. There are few cards which are left it out. Okay, I was having a doubt why it's looking less. Okay, so yeah, this is the reading for Geminis. Either it's related to career or relationship. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, situationship. Spiritual awakening is taking place. Healing is going on. Heart chakra is healing. Third eye chakra is opening. Spiritual awakening is happening. Wow. You always think about the conditioning. In the month of June, you will think about how you have grown up and brought up in life. Okay, you'll be very lazy in the month of June. Okay, like there's a certain wish fulfillment you want to come, you want it to come true, but you'll be very lazy in achieving it. Okay, so yeah, Geminis, you will be very rebellious and in a defending mode in the month of June. Okay, so yeah. Yes, trust your inner voice and intuition. Okay, trust your inner voice and intuition. Okay, yeah, a lot of disappointments are there. You are being very disappointed about certain things in life. You are just going with the flow. At the same time, you are very much confused, related to certain situation. A lot of sorrows are there. You are being very sorrowful because a wish fulfillment is not coming true. That's the problem. Okay, sad sorrow. Okay, because a wish fulfillment is not coming true. You're just healing your heart chakra. You're just being patient enough, going with the flow related to a situation in the month of June. Okay, at the same time, few of the Geminis who are feminines, they might hear a news of pregnancy. Okay, or they might get pregnant in next 7 months. Okay, so yeah, a lot of stressful situations are about to happen in your life. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out what our original tarot is saying in the month of June. Yes, two people are in a situation, might reconciliation might happen in next 3 months. Okay, within next 3 months, who are in separation, Geminis. Also, one more thing, a celebration might come in the month of June. Also, you might start something related to partnership into your career. Okay, or you might partner up with someone. Okay, yes, right now you're not concerned about money, you're concerned about your relationship, Geminis, in the month of June. Okay, you feel that two people at a distance thinking about each other but not coming together, just thinking, not taking action towards each other, missing each other. This is a twin flame connection to whomsoever you are thinking about. There is a person with whom you are thinking about, but you are in a separation and you are thinking about each other, but no one is making action towards it. I think you might, think that a person is coming towards you, but he'll be coming with an offer which will be very slow. Yes, I think definitely, you need to make a decision related to a third party situation, Geminis. Okay, or your person will make a decision related to a third party situation. That is what you are thinking energetically about. Okay, yes, a decision is on the horizon for you. I'm pretty sure about it. Geminis, you were in the past, you were guarding up your walls up, no more thinking about each other. But now you are at a point where you have started socializing with people. Okay, talking to people, socializing, making new friends. So you must be going in the month of June for partying, traveling, spending time with your friends, family members. It can be something like that. now you are no more waiting for things to happen. Now is the situation where you will be taking action related to the situations what you want to do. Yes, Geminis, someone might reach out to you related to a message, related to a call, message. Someone might message you, your person, your twin flame connection, okay, might message you. For Geminis who are single, a new person might enter into your life, and that might be your twin flame connection. But yeah, you are dealing with some sort of twin flame connection. Not all of you, but few of you who are in separation already, okay. And I think your person will reach out to you. I don't know why. Karmic cycle is ending. Karmic problems are ending. Cycle is turning its wheel into your favor in the month of June. Wow, that's really cool. You are just being very dominant in the month of June, being into your own power, not being emotional enough, but being practical enough at the same time. Okay, that is really cool. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you Geminis, you are disappointed by thinking about the past. Okay, you are not thinking about the future. You are still clinging on to the past. I think you need to move on, and you need to think about the two cups, which is one second. Okay guys, sorry, there will be disturbance. Okay, so you need to see about the two cups which is waiting in front of you. You are not seeing that. Okay, new beginning is on the horizon for you guys, very surely. New beginning is on the horizon. You might need to take an action related to something. I think a lot of disturbances are going on into your financial life, Geminis. I think so. I don't know why, but yeah, a lot of disturbances are going on. This not a stabilized situation is going on into your money related stuff. Okay, so that's the thing. Let's see what is your life purpose. Okay, then we'll head towards the love reading. Okay, so yeah, let's see what is the life purpose for you. Okay, what is the life purpose? You might be going through a lot of sensitivity. You are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. Support. Your life purpose fully supports you. Wow. Okay, crystals. Your connection to crystals and gemstones is a channel of healing energy. Okay, so some of you might get support from the angel guardians, okay, or the angels around you. And some of you might deal with the crystals, might be starting a business related to crystals. Okay, some of you might be into the business of energy healing or Reiki or something related to healing. You need to let go, walk away from such situations in order to resolve it. You need to sometimes walk away from the situation to need to resolve it. Definitely your spiritual awakening is going on. That's why you might become a tarot reader as well. That's really cool. The person who goes through spiritual awakening, they usually go into the spiritual path. Okay guys, so this is a romance angel tarot deck. Okay, so continuing this reading. Okay, so let your friends support you. Some of you might be get support from your friends. Okay, and some of you might go on a vacation or might need a vacation with your partners. Okay, so yeah, very soon clearly decide what you need to make a decision very soon about this person or the situation. Okay, Geminis, you need to make a decision, getting to know each other. Some of you might meet a new person and you might get to know that this is the right person for you. Okay, yeah, your desired love, you are being lovable. A lot of people are admiring you, loving